Here we have the enclosed card stating that this is the June VB kit, and it has a list of everything that's on the back of the card here. Square sticky notes, thin waves clear tape, tropical abstract clear tape, VB sticker book, 9 pages, and mini deco sheet, the transparent page flag set, which I'm really excited about, mini sticker album, VB pen sleeve, VB heart magnet charm, Dangle paper clips, crystal VB pen, and 4 sheets of paper and 2 vellum if you ordered the paper pack. I did not get the paper pack this time. I don't know why. That was really stupid. However, you won't catch me slipping again. Not your girl. Alright, hey y'all. We are gonna get into this June VillaBeauTIFFul box pack kit. You know what I mean. So Tiffany, the owner of VillaBeauTIFFul, has recently started changing up the aesthetic of the VillaBeauTIFFul kits, and I could not be happier. I love them. So this is the June VillaBeauTIFFul kit named Isla. Probably butchering that. Again, it's the June kit. Let's get right into this because I cannot wait. I'm seeing all kinds of nudes and pinks and Jesus. Okay. So let's get all of this out of here and we'll go through it. Okay, so of course y'all know it comes in a decorative folder. These are usually not sold separately. I've seen 1 or 2 times where Tiffany has had a sale and sold off any extras. It's not very often, so I save them. I keep pieces of kits that I haven't used or haven't used yet in them. So that's that. We have this Enamel magnetic charm. I am loving this. First of all, y'all know me. Y'all know how I feel about any leopard cheetah print. I'm here for it. Oh goodness gracious, this is gonna look so cute on the front of my RSL. So yes. Let's see. Let's check. We have to test it. We have to. We've pulled it out now. Look at that. Isn't that adorbs? And it matches perfectly. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. Let's see. Are you strong enough? It is. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, Tiffany. I love this one. And it's got the VB logo on the back. Let's catch the light. Boom. Next, we have these Dangle paper clips. I won't say these are the first clips that I've seen since I've discovered VillaBeauTIFFul, but of course it's the first clips that have had the gold hardware. I am not a very big fan of silver. I can deal with rose gold from time to time, but I absolutely love all things gold. Gold, cheetah print, gold leopard print, and pink, my heart's desire. So that's the first one. While they are dainty, they do feel sturdy. It doesn't feel like this is something that would break too quickly. So there's a monstera leaf. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And some gold accents to go along with it. So there you have the Dangle paper clips. Next is this sticky pad. I don't need to explain myself. I love stickies. I love this. I've got plenty of space to write with still something cute here in the corner. So I'm happy. Transparent paper flags. Oh my God, I absolutely love these. So I will show you guys in another video. Actually, I'll show you right now. So what I've done with the transparent flags from the May VB kit is I punched them here to go inside of my RSL. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so here they are inside of my Orestelle. As I said, I punched them to fit right in, and the tab is visible at the top, so I know where they are. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Love it. They're accessible, easy to use. I can view them from whether I'm in the front of the planner or in the back. I love it. Let's open up this so we can see these flags. We must see these flags, ma'am. So this is more of a mauve color. This is pretty. Let's get you close up so you can see. There's the mauve. There's like a steel gray. There's like a tan cream color. This is more of a darker tan, and these are clear. Here we have the VB pin sleeve that says My Pretty Pins down here on the bottom. It's got this gorgeous pink, this gorgeous print here. And let's get this opened up so y'all can see. Am I the only one that likes to keep stuff in the plastic until I'm like ready to use it, like today? I don't know what's wrong with me. So here's the sleeve, My Pretty Pins. Very cute, clear sleeve. And I like that because on previous pen sleeves, this part, the pocket part, is you can't see through it. So if you stick a VB pen in here, you don't get to see the crystals. Let me show you. So here are one of the pens from the last gem launch, and if I stick this in here, I can see it, and it's gorgeous. Hey girl, hey girl. Let me see if I can find another one. I don't have one sitting by me. I do. This one is not from VillaBeauTIFFul. This one is from Simply Gilded, but I'll show you just so you can get an idea of what I mean. See the pocket here? I stick this pen in. You can't see how gorgeous it is. I still love this. It doesn't mean I love it any less, but this is what I've been hoping for, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have the mini sticker album. Let's open this up. There was one of these in the December kit. The name of it escapes me. I'll put it down at the bottom. But we have this whole pink, mauve, dusty rose vibes with the Monstera leaves again. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And of course, you know your deco sheets, the mini deco sheets that come with the sticker kits go fit in here perfectly. So let's see how many pages are here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 sheets. So if you stick your sheets back to back, you could get 20 mini deco sheets in here. Awesome. Next, but you know, this is one of my favorite parts of these kits are these sticker books, and Tiffany never lets me down. So this is the June 2020 La Isla sticker book. These are the mini deco sheets that I was talking about earlier. Gorgeous with the gunmetal foil. Listen, I know I said I love gold, and I do love gold, but this gunmetal is definitely coming in as a second place contender. This is a gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous. Look at that. So I'll flip through the sticker book really quickly. We have our full boxes with the gunmetal foil on there. I love this. Every summer has a story. You're absolutely right about that. What's this summer story gonna be? Coronavirus. We're not going there right now. We've got our icons, some bill pay stickers, some more icons down here, some checklists, some more boxes. I love this. Okay, we've got some half boxes with the foil as well. We've got some headers, a weekend box. It's the weekend, that's cute. Some scalloped quarter boxes, some large deco. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Can't wait to use this. And these flat lays right here, baby. This is what I need right here, y'all. How many of y'all need this drink right here? I don't care what's in it. Bartender, serve it. Yes. We've got our date covers. The only thing that I really wish would go into these sticker kits are date dots. We've got 2 sets of date covers here, and if you are creative enough, you could get this entire sticker book to spread across 2 weeks with the addition of a Hobonichi or PP Weeks or whatever you use, because that's what this last sheet is pretty much for. You could definitely stretch this sticker book over a 2-week spread in addition to the PP Weeks. So that's awesome. I just need some date dots, please, Tiffany. Let's get into this washi. So we have our Thin Waves clear tape and our Tropical Abstract clear tape. This is the Thin Waves. I think this is a 5mm. I'm gonna measure this, and if I'm wrong, I'll put something down there. And then this is a 1510. Wow, duh, put them together. So let's get this open so you guys can see it. Okay, let's start with the smaller one. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that, y'all. The waves are gorgeous, and I can't wait to use them, and I already have an idea of what I'm going to use them for. She ready. She is most definitely ready. And then here is the larger one. This is the Tropical Abstract. Oh my goodness. When I tell you, it matches the kit so well, and it's new to me because it looks almost silver. We know it's not, but it looks almost silver. I'm gonna have to find something a really good spread to do. I got to do something with this. This is going down. All right, y'all. Last but certainly not least, I know this is the favorite part of the kit for most of y'all. I know it. You don't have to pretend. It's okay. We all have our vices. They are what they are. Boom. This is the kit pen for this month. It is the Isla. That's what it's called. Usually the kit pens are named after the kit. Let me not say usually. All of the time, the pen that comes in the kit is named after the kit. Isn't she absolutely stunning? Oh, child. Let me see if I can get a good close-up for y'all so y'all can see them crystals, girl. Look at that. Yes, honey. So for those of you that have never ordered a VillaBeauTIFFul kit before, every time, or have ever ordered from VillaBeauTIFFul before, every time you order a pen, it will come with a free refill. If you order 10 pens on a pen release day, for every single pen you order, a refill will come. When you've run out of this and this, you can always go on the website to purchase additional refills. From time to time, they will restock in the blue ink. That is when I snatch them all. While I like the black ink for the most part, every once in a while, I'll want the blue ink, and I'll put them in select pens. So, that is all for this kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you are interested in signing up, let me give you this disclaimer really quickly. It's not a bad thing, so hold on to your pants. VillaBeauTIFFul kits are not a subscription. They are pre-order. So every month, as of right now, the date is the 20th, you have to log on, go onto the website, and literally place an order. It's not something that you can, just provide your credit card information and it'll automatically renew at some point during the month. Doesn't work like that. You have to literally go in and handle your business. So with that said, if you are interested in getting this month's kit, I'm not sure if it's sold out. If it is, look down there. However, I will leave a link so that you can save a couple of coins on your first kit. And that is all. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.